Om Shanti class. We'll continue with the chapter of probability, and today I am going to tell you about playing cards. You know, in a well shuffled playing card, there are 52 cards are there, right? There are how many cards? 52. Out of 52 cards, half are black and half are red. It means 26 are black cards and 26 are red cards. Then black is further divided into two, 13 and 13. And red is also divided into two. That is how many black is divided into two, 13 and 13. So 13 are club cards and 13 are spade card. And these are the symbols which those cards have. And again red has there are 26 red, 13 are heart and 13 are diamond. Okay, now so again I am explaining it to you that 52 playing cards, 26 are black and 26 are red, 13 are clubs and 13 are spade, and in red card again 13 are heart and 13 are diamond. Now just see, in the first card, which is, there are 13 cards I am talking in each suit. In each suit there are 13 cards, and total how many suits are there? 4. 2 of black and 2 of red, and each suit has 13 cards. So the first card in each suit is an ace. It is not 1, it is A. A is an ace. And then we have counting numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and there are then it is J, Q and K. J is Jack, Q is Queen and K is King. It means there are 4 A's. Each card is 4. 2 red and 2 black. So 13 fours is 52. So total there are 52 cards. Now Jack, Queen and King, they have faces. So we call them as face card. And they are also known as court card also. Right. So how many face card are there? We know there are 4 Jack, 4 Queen and 4 King. So you know 2 red, 2 black, 2 red, 2 black, 2 red and 2 black. So total there are 12 face cards. Clear? Okay. Now we'll proceed further. There is a question there. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color. Now let A be the favorable outcome of getting a king of red color. So how many red color kings are there? There are 2 red color kings. One of diamond and one of heart. So number of favorable outcomes are 2. And how many possible outcomes are there? You know the possible outcomes are how many? 52. So what is the probability that a king of red color is there? The probability is number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So it is 2 upon 52. So how much it comes to? It comes to 1 upon 26. I think it is clear to you. Right. Now, next is a face card. Right now, BB, the favorable outcome of getting a face card. Right now, I've told you how many face cards are there. There are how many? 12 face cards. So, number of favorable outcomes. How many number of favorable outcomes are there? 12. And total number of possible outcomes are there are 52 because there are 52 cards. So, what is the probability of getting a face card? Probability of getting a face card is 12 upon 52. So, you know 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4. So, it is 3 upon 13. Is it clear to you? Right. Now, let's go to the third part, a spade. Here, let C be the favorable outcome of getting a spade. Now, how many spades are there in the cards? I've told you there are 4 suits: club, spade, heart and diamond. So, how many spades are there? 13. So, number of favorable outcomes are how many? 13. And total number of outcomes, possible outcomes, you know, they are 52. So what is the probability of getting a spade? It is number of favorable outcome upon total number of possible outcomes. So it will be 13 upon 52. It is coming to 1 upon 4. Is it clear to you? Now, next part to it. Either red or a king. Now, let E be the favorable outcome of getting either a red or a king. How many red are there? There are total 26 red cards. So, number of favorable outcome, there are 26 red cards and there are 4 king but 2 are red. It means 2 black. So 26 plus 2. How much it becomes? 28. And total number of outcomes, possible outcomes, you know there are 52. So what is the probability that either a red or a king will come? So it will be, let it be D. Let D be the favorable outcomes of getting either red or a king. So what is the probability of either red or a king? It is going to be 28 upon 52. That is 4 7s are 28 and 4 13s are 52. So 7 upon 13. Is it clear to everyone? Okay? Okay class then. Thank you.